Hi everyone, in this video let us see how to convert a drawing file into a PDF file. So for that first you need to open the drawing file. Just you can use Ctrl plus P or otherwise you can click here, plot. So then a window will appear like this. So here you need to select the printer. You are converting the drawing file into PDF file, right? So you need to select drawing to PDF. Right, next you need to select the paper size. Select the size of the paper as A4. So this is, there are two A4 sheets. So this is A4, which is portrait mode. This is landscape mode. Select landscape mode, 297 by 210 mm. And here whatever you draw, if you want to print it at the center, then click on center the plot. So make sure here the landscape is on. So if you want to select portrait orientation, you can select portrait, but it will look good in landscape. So select landscape. Now the important thing is, so what to plot. So whatever maybe there is on the display, if you want to completely print, so then you can choose display. So you are not like that. You are, if you want to print a specific area, just select window from here, then it will disappear. Now you need to select that drawing. So choose the least possible area for the print. Okay, so I have chosen this one. Okay, so now let us see the preview. So if you feel it is good, so now click on this plot again. Then it will ask you to show the location under documents. If you want to create a folder, just create a folder. So you can give name to this one. So I'm giving name as test. So and then press enter. It will enter into that folder. Now you can give file name. So if you want to give with question number or with the method, you can give. So it is second question rectangle method. Save. So it will be converted into PDF file and it will be shown like this. So if you want to convert the rest of the files, what you should do? Again, Ctrl plus P or plot. So now you need not to give any settings. So already have given one print, right? So what you need to do is go here and select previous plot. Whatever may be the settings you have given in the previous plot, those settings will come. Now you need to select this option. So you are changing the window, right? So I will change the window from here to here. So I have selected this one. Let us see the preview. So this is the preview. Again, if it is okay, click on plot. So I'm giving it as question number 3, parallelogram method. Save. It will be converted, right? If you want one more, I will show you. Control P or click on this plot icon. So it will come. Again, select previous plot. Just select window. Okay, I have selected the window. Let us see the preview. Just click on plot icon once again. Okay, suppose if you get a doubt, so my selection is not good after seeing the preview. If my selection is not good, suppose I have selected print previous plot window, I have selected like this. So let us see preview. So from the preview I understood that it's not good. What you need to do, just press escape. Okay, again it will come back. Now you need to select window. You need to change the selection from here to here. See the preview. If it is okay, click on plot. Now give the name. Yes, likewise it will be converted into PDF.